probably going to be a stupid video, but I just realized something. Let's not start a fire today, Mariah. But, so, this is the USB cord thing that came with my iPhone 14 Pro. And this is the one that came with the AirPods. So I was just kind of curious, like, they're obviously...
Okay, let's be real. You can obviously just read the box and get that information, but what fun is that?
Like for the AirPods. So let's find out. So first, which one do you guys think? Let's do the ones that came with the iPhone 14 Pro first. We're gonna take these out and we're gonna unstretch it. I don't know offhand what the sizes are, like how long these cords come with. Okay, how am I gonna do this? So this is basically how long it is coming out of the iPhone 14 Pro, and here's the tips of it. And now let's do the one that came out of the AirPods. Just curious to see if like they were the same, one shorter than the other. I don't know if this video is ever going to be helpful for anybody, but I was just really curious. Okay, so it looks about the same, honestly. But here, let me grab, oh, and this is the ending of it. So they're both the same, but let me grab one end. The iPhone 14 Pro is this one right here in the back. So I'm gonna overstretch them. You guys, I don't have the best camera, but they are both the same size. So whatever, they just look smaller. So whatever the sizes are, they're both the same. Just if I'm trying to help somebody out, save the world one day, if you ever need to know that information, they are both the same cords in the iPhone 14 Pro and the AirPods, same one. You're so welcome for that non-useful information. Okay, love you, bye.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on.